This is the shredded chicken. Some of it's rotisserie. And I have some chicken tenders that I boiled for about an hour and all shredded up. So I'm going to add it to the oil. Now this is going to be a different type of enchilada because, you know, I like to put my own twist to things. Make sure that's on medium heat. It's already cooked, so it's not going to take that long. And I'm going to use this as the seasoning. Hot and spicy. Let's get that into there. I'm going to put all of it in there. Let it cook up. Now don't make fun of me, y'all, because I don't feel like washing a whole bunch of dishes. So I'm using this one utensil. It's alright. I got my garlic and chili spectrum oil as the base to fire this up real good. Y'all seen it in my previous videos. If you have not, if you're new, I will make sure I put it down in the description box. I'm gonna let that cook for about a couple of minutes and we'll be right back. I'm gonna add some more. Good stuff right here, about $9 at Walmart. One-fourth cup enchilada sauce, which is what I'm using right here. This. Gonna mix it in with the chicken. Chicken enchilada sauce. Gonna mix that up real good. And oh yeah, how about them Cowboys? Dak Prescott, welcome back. We knew you wasn't going nowhere. This is quick, simple, and easy, y'all. Real quick, simple, and easy. Take some chicken. You can take rotisserie chicken, just shred it up. That's what I got in here. And then I also have some chicken tenders that I boiled for a little bit, for about an hour. And then I let it cool for a few minutes. I shredded it up. And then, like y'all seen earlier in the video, I used the El Paso spicy seasoning mix. Got it all set up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these right here, my flour tortillas, and I'm going to put it in my glass pan, and I'm going to put the filling in there and my cheese, and we're going to go from there. So let's get it. Now for the fun part, y'all. Add that little bit of cheese. I put the enchilada sauce, most of it at the bottom. See the tortillas, pulling them apart. Put some cheese in there. You can use whatever type of cheese you want. I prefer sharp. Don't matter. Mix it up. Do what y'all want to do. Do what y'all want to do. It's all right. And there we go. That's it for the cheese. And like I showed y'all already, here's the shredded chicken with the enchilada sauce. I'm gonna put it in there. Put as much as you want. Roll, 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 roll. Bam. It might get a little messy, y'all. It might get a little messy. Add some more. Do the same thing. And I put some of the sauce at the bottom because I want it to be soaked up in that sauce. We're going to continue the same process. If you run out of room in your pan, that's okay. Get you another one. gonna put this in there. I'm gonna show you one more time, y'all, how to do this. And there we go. Bam. Alright, so now you take the rest of your enchilada sauce, pour it on top. Make sure you get everything nice and even. Oh yes, this is gonna be so amazing. There we go. And now I'm gonna get the rest of my cheese. I used sharp cheddar at first, but I ran out, so I'm gonna use this Mexican 4 blend. You can use whatever type of cheese you want, it's up to y'all. Sprinkle it on there. I'm a cheese lover. This is amazing. Like, I'm gonna load it up with some cheese. Like, this is gonna be so good. Quick, simple, easy. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare. And it's gonna take 20 minutes in the oven. And there we go. And to add something else fun to it, I'm gonna add this right here, some diced green chilies. And I'm actually gonna use the liquid in there too, because it's gonna sop up. Everything's gonna be just really, really good. So I'm just going to do like this. Shake and bake, shake and bake. There you go. Get all them flavors in there. And there you go. And then now it's going to go into the oven for 20 minutes. And it's going to be on 350. See y'all in a little bit. After 20 minutes, all done. Chicken and cheesy enchiladas with diced green chilies. Oh yeah, look at that.